information. Contact number 8765658124.
Just come out of a taxi and blow it. It must feel quite taxi. I'm going to blow it. See? Yo! Eh? I'm going to Florida. I'm going to hear them deal with them because we want to know about this outstanding bill they talk about. You see me? After we pay our bill, and every time we pay our bill, they owe we. You understand? Me want to know the outstanding bill we have, you know, because we have all our bill, you know.
Bill from now.
So long, why you look for the bill? Yes, sir. Why you want to make sure?
We take it out of the box from here. Then, December and November.
Everywhere I go, you have to carry weed with you.
Take out, let me take out. How much money I pay?
You know, 6,000 now. So what is the outstanding bill we have to pay? I don't know what kind of outstanding bill we have. If you have an outstanding bill, eh? Pay a bill every month and think we have an outstanding bill. Come on, man, we're going to go chat to them and hear what is what. Yeah, we kind of. We're going to get a note say we have outstanding bill and we come every month come pay our bill. So we don't have to know what we want. Yeah, we'll pay, all right.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Not like me.
How are you going? Are you run out?
No, man. Thanks very good time. Now go and go doctor.
Thanks. Well, you have a pay, but we get a message say we have outstanding bill. Cecil Douglas, come on, you talk to the woman, man. So two bill there. Ah, the new phone again, the number again.
56. Another one there?
New one. The next one.
Cancel that. 565. 8174.
So we can't pay the bill?
Yeah, man, you can pay the bill. In the meantime, or you
Because-
want to query it first and then you make the payment.
Yeah, because we two bill, man, we don't have to know what we're talking about. You never know what to do, you know. No, man. You must have pay a bill in case of anything. I will pay no bill. You better pay no. Come on, cut in place. You know what's up with this, sir. Crazy, we are crazy. Now we're inside of Flow headquarters. Yes, Flow headquarters. Alright, yes. Flow headquarters. We are getting a message on my television last night told me that we have an outstanding bill, which way couldn't be because we always come and pay our bill and the machine don't give back change, so they're always owing us. So I want to know how comes we have an outstanding bill. Right. See there, people? We are inside of Flow, people. You see that? Who don't know Flow? This is what Flow look like. Yay, people. What are they gonna charge me that video instead of Flow? Huh? They are crazy. I'm gonna take a look at tour inside of Flow. Yes, I'm gonna take a look at tour.
Hello, Mr. Gentleman. Hello, be careful of that here. Then the video we have been do it here.
We're just having some fun, man.
No, the game will tell you until you catch it.
This thing is so crazy.
Yeah, man, I tell you, it's gonna do it.
All right. Well, look here. I'm not. Like.
When you say a video, what a video? You mean the
Yeah.
oh the Tata?
No. I just having some fun.
Yeah, but when you say if you're for them airport, not going to like I didn't know.
Oh no. Yes, people. It's like we can't video the cashiers and all these people. So we take a look at tour. I look on a floor place. Yes. I look for our money spending and thing and all these things. Yes. I pay my money every month and they must send me to say what? Outstanding bill. What crazy? Crazy. That's what it is. No football game today. So they play. Cricket is going on the TV. Yes. Sorry, people. I'm gonna pause my video till you're ready to talk to me about this outstanding bill. They say you understand what I say? Is my say? Yes. That's what. Outstanding damn bill. Alright. Let's just wait, that's what I want. Because sometimes I'm person like public, you know. You know, like I go public and stuff? Yeah, you go from 5 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock in the night to reach our yard. Yes, viewers. I'm inside a flow. Security come and tell me that I can video their phone and you know we can video down where customer care is. Yo, bro, it's all crazy, you know. All crazy. Yes, we're gonna wait and see what's going on. God, this is impossible. Paying our bill every month. The machine don't give back change. So comes we not with. Yeah. I want to tell a woman here. You know what? They want to spoil the name. Cecile Douglas. Go answer to them for me, please. Can I say my name? And the next thing, somebody's girl with them our work at the customer care, they don't have no manners, they don't know how to deal with people, they don't know how to talk to people. You understand what I say? They don't know how to talk. Some of them don't deserve the work. You understand what I say? Yeah. I'm telling you, some of these girls say, yo, and then them fast eyelash and thing, they feel like say we're on top of the world when they work the floor. You understand what I say? Right? They don't know how to talk to people, they don't know how to deal with people. Yeah, man. For real. I saw her never take a picture to her and put it up on Facebook. Because everybody see her. Because they don't know how to deal with people. Security, big up. Yeah? Like how you deal with the situation, yeah? But some of them girls, they don't deserve work with them, yeah? They don't know how to talk to people.
Yeah, man. On top of the world.
Yeah, man, they don't know how to talk to people, man.
I like what you said.
Yeah, man.
And you have a princess Diana, but you see, a lot of people don't understand. Not for the lady, you're so correct. Them feel like them on top of the world. They go places to get through. They deal with it. Look how the virgin come. Good morning.
Good morning.
The man open the door.
Yeah.
I'm say my like when my black brother open the door.
All right, bossy. Yeah.
Mr. Virgin, enough respect to you.
Yeah.
Because we don't understand certain fundamental basic things. Me tell people, and we are all we have. Get me? My black sister, my black brother.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
We're gonna go find, go bow down to white people and this one.
And to China and them thing there. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Somebody do them eyebrow and do them this and shit
Yeah.
like that shit.
Yeah, man.
I got through several places. Away from downtown must drive to come up here, because the same shit we unite with black people.
Yeah,
you go
man.
through and say good morning. Them barely answer.
Answer you,
Right,
yeah.
you just kiss my teeth, come up, go in my car, drive, come up here, so I don't have to chat to them.
No.
I come in, I see the lady and help me. I look on her, I say, I chose this into why you help. No, this is what I say, well, I appreciate that.
Appreciate that.
The money where I spend.
Ben, yeah, man.
You understand?
When I just go in there, you say, man, them go and them can't all want to answer you. Is them a deal with it?
Me a Scorpio man, me a November man. Sometimes I wonder if something wrong with me. Because me I say, oh me come and me say and say, yes my black brother. Yes, I'm a got you. And then you come through.
I'm a founder. Security guard say, yo, rate. Make me feel welcome.
Yeah, make you
He
feel
make me
welcome.
feel welcome.
Yes,
and when I
man.
go inside on the next one, he make you feel worse and welcome, man.
Yes, man. That
You see me?
me feel look around and I say, I want to fuck Christmas.
I big him up still. Yes, security, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
You will like on approach and customers. You understand what I'm saying?
How the deal with you?
No, this is they call them,
Direct.
yeah, when you go down to when they call it customer service, but the girl don't know for these people, bro. Them don't know how these people. Then as far as I lash and feel like say boy, I know sure say if a Chinese boy come there and say well, they want to do them nice, or a white boy come and they say nice. But we know as one black sister and black brother, we deal with each other like a shit.
You know, the first thing now is secret like a customer service, you know.
Yeah.
You can teach them that thing.
So yo,
I guess so.
yo.
First person you have me, and me.
Mm-hmm.
So if me do really aware, you have to feel aware.
Offended, yeah.
Yeah, so if they watch our pattern and how we deal with customers, they can learn.
I'm gonna say,
Sitting on the clothes and the sound, you have
Yeah.
to talk to people. They care what problem you have, there's a sandwich and things. You know, enough time people go in there have problem and I miss them and help them
help them out.
Because you know all I take this and if I internet problem, if I need sometimes you get a man and number to call us.
Call us.
Yeah.
Well, you know, as Sarah said, I never take a video in a while. Because security inside, come to me so polite and thing, man, come to me with respect and say, yo, brother, don't, you know, rate it. I'm going to say, all right, cool. But, no, my Sarah say, yo, John, I don't want, this is security guard, but can tell me, say, don't do it. So, I don't want to do it and thing, and, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I like how I deal with the situation.
That's all.
Look at that brown girl. She come to it, polite it,
Oh,
you rate it. She goes like bam, and show what is what.
Yeah,
But
man.
yo, them fans eyelash one in the summer. Nah, man, them feel the name top of the road, bro. Pick up yourself here. Yeah, man. Them feel the name on top of the road. You see what I say? And them feel like somebody take off the eyelash, them feel the blouse and skirt, something better out of maple search it, cemetery and dig up back. You understand? Yeah, man. Boy, man. Look at the security guard and deal there. Your approach to the security guard approach you nice, good. Yo, we can help you right here, yeah. Boom, bang. We go inside, we go say and I run a video and talk until the security guard come to me. It's decent and say, yo, don't. When they see a video, these, what do you call them, the girl, them there? Same ugly sitting there with an eyelash. False eyelash. You see me? Because security ask me if you do it. Yo, I respect them say, you see what I say? But no, man, she'll move like a way about it, you know? You know?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Yo, man, I tell you, some girls, some of them, they feel like say, yo, they in a certain job, they feel like they're on top of the world. Yeah, they feel like they're on top of the world, bro. Right? And they can lose all them job. You understand what I say? Respect. You see me? Anytime you have some Jamaican, some woman, I tell you, some boy, some job, they feel like they're on top of the world. Man, I'm tell you, they see you as you know. Yo. You go and let them more than you. And if it's not, they know more than you. You understand what I say? Them don't more than you. But to them can't get fire. You understand what I say? When them fire and look and the boss and fucked up sure. Sure no star. Sorry YouTube. You see what I say? But when they miss up, them boss fire them. I see them out there again if you hunt another job and things like that. Right? Probably somebody like all me now go floor. You see what I say? Someone like we now go floor. Yeah, what town? Someone like we now go floor now. How we go floor? We have a business, you know. But just the way how you deal with we now. See? Right? The way you deal with we. One day you get fired from floor. We have our business now. I take a chicken town. You turn about business place want to work. Eh? Me not go hire you. I go remind you, remember say, yo, you remember the face here? I'm going to floor how you deal with it. How you talk to it. Eh? Simple. Right? Don't go and let me come on a job and feel like something better and whole. Also, on top of the world. So I can't deal with anybody anywhere. Yo, but come on, man, we are one people, you know, man. We are one people. See me? Enough time you hear some people say, yo, black people they want like shit. See? When a China man walk up to them, or a China girl, or the white boy, or the white girl walk up to them, remember me tell them, man, they might deal them like a king and queen. It's me, like them, if them shit in them bow down and near all them shit though. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. People go, man, some people, yo, let me tell you something, man. You go, man. I look like, if you want to see, I look, check out them PS people, how much them get. You understand what I say? Right, so we are making an idea. We are making more than that an idea with our business we are doing. You know? With our business we are doing, we are making more than what she get in a day, get in a week. You understand what I say? In a day we are make that. You see what I say? And we not show off one thing, yeah. You see what I say? We're making an idea now. You see, people them get in a less than that in a when they work for in a week or so. Yes, man, say. So, I want to play man, go man. Go on, let them better than one people. I say enough for them, I tell them, man, buy beauty. Buy beauty. Some of them, enough for them girls, say, go on, tighty. I buy beauty. Yes, man, say. Right? Buy them eyelash and them powder for them face and one bag of sin. Yes, man, say them hair and all these things. Yes, man, say. Yes, man, say. Buy beauty. And the beauty now is that this share them original ear. Because enough for them to blouse and skin them judge the eyelash, you know. They don't glue on the natural eyelash, you know. And guess what go on? You know what go on? It pop out them natural eyelash. You see what I said? Like my friend Mitzi. She now no eyelash. Anytime she take off the falls, I see she and she can't open my eye wide. You understand? Enough for them say I use up the ear cream when they see my buy and I use and thing. And Mr. Chin now make it for grow them here. I will cut off a ear so I can buy more falls here. You see what I say? Because a lot of people who want me to say now, no have no ear upon them head. You see what I say? A patch that's a gun. It up on them head, ear gone. You see what I say? All these Chinese ear product that I'm using in the head and thing. You think say China, what I'm doing now? I skin everything when China doing now. You see, go on the type of ear cream when I run down, cut off on the ear. You see what I say? Them after now, they know so enough I forgot buy the wig. So yo, and I start going some wig. So I take my wig, all dead people wig in the market. I remember the machine in India, and people dead. And some people sick and dead. They just cut off a ear for them body and sell it to them for the market. Yeah, man. So enough of them girls, I tell them, when you meet them at the club or anything, and you meet them serving, and they look nice and all those things, and then fast when take it down, me I tell them, man, they go as faint, drop down, mad. Oh. Them feel somewhere dead and them dig up back out of Maple Cemetery. That me I tell you. One like on better than people. On own people. I can guarantee, man, any of Mr. Chin or Miss Chin walk up in front of them, a redneck, or if you want to say redneck, and some white boy or some white girl goes and walk up to them and treat them like no queen. You know? Queen and king, yeah? What is it? Yeah. I call it say what we vlog and matter about some but white Jesus when they want praise. Blue eye boy. I ask them for them, I say, yeah, watch ya. How old a boy there? They can't tell you. Michelangelo. When I look up to and I bow down to Michelangelo. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. I ignore like him can't bite. Yeah. Yeah, because man dirty. Where they go, man? Blood clot boy, man, you're no better than people, man. Man gonna dig on top of the road. Yeah, downtown we're rich. Now call when I took him go somewhere I sleep, bro. Yo, bad man, yo, Millie, I'm not sure to go on, yeah. Yes, man, downtown with it. Walk to the park. Day to learn, lock it up the park like wow. Come and say we never go and show them wow. Like a nice walk and look in the park. Jaja. People see it there. Park open up, you know. Yeah, man, the other day we go and make a vlog point and things. So I say, show the people around the park nasty and piss up on all these things. See there? Public bathroom open up on things. See there? Park open up on all these things. Yeah, man. See the people? Yeah, man. See the big tree what they say. One white truck, I'm not carry it. One big tree, the people. See there? We making up, yeah, man. Park open. Shop Boss TV people. You never see it. You never see the video, people. I go some video the thing, you know. Me go some keep big stage show, while running and support it. And watch it to a park, lock up after that. Come on, man. This man say, big tree the people. Yeah, man. See, they open the park and everybody can walk through the park now. Yeah, man. Everybody can go through the park and relax in the park now. Long time. See the people, the fountain there. Yeah, man, see there. Eh? And there's fish inside there. What's my say?
Fish was in there.
Fish there in there. What type of water in it? Fish goes in there, yes. I don't see no fish. No fish in there. I'm not believe what it's. I'm not I say? Eh? Yo, they must, hey, it's enough away, vlogger. You know, like we know, don't show too much things, you know. How do you do, guys? A car park? Must car park this, man. Yeah, man. When I saw them sit out them thing, I know it's a car park. A park car, you see? Eh? A car, my girl, so you feel like car park. Look at it. Just look at it now. Just look. Look at the settings now. Just look at the settings. A car, car park car. But look at yourself for park car. Why look at the settings, you know that? See the gate there? You see what I'm saying? Eh? God, I know you see that. I know you see it. I've got so much light in the place. Can I plant out corn? No,
sir. Never in there.
See that? See that?
In that floor.
Look, see that? You said get inch and go there and thing. I carry my parking it, man. See that? Yeah, man, I carry my park, man. See the bathroom and walk me and thing, the public bathroom and walk me in the park and all and thing. You see me? I say, pay on the $50 I'm gonna piss and thing and you see me? You see that? Car park, man. What's it? I tell us your car park, babe. Yeah, security. Judge. Oh, Boston, brother. A blessing.
I can take some picture.
Yeah, you know. Pass me a pass and take some.
They come with the pepper light, they pull them, man.
No, take someone that they put the pepper light, man, because we don't lick against that, say, well, all the man lock up the park and everybody come take the picture.
Because you know, say people them are going to mash the pepper light, tear out the pepper light.
Yeah.
So the good stuff for the bad in the way.
Yeah.
And we used to say the same
Thing too, yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff for feel bad. See why them say.
Yeah, man, no, we realize what them say, man.
Yeah. Like if I make everybody freely around there, you know, by the time the next day come, nothing
around there.
And nobody can tell us that them do this.
I know next year when I see my watch them, what a power was around the park, man. Because people up.
That's why I see police come out, they might try to prevent the whole from pissing
around the park and things. Yeah, man. Come do and swear for it, you know.
See that side now, that side restricted the public because they build up on that side.
Yeah.
So it's when that side done now, they open back and lock on the park and finish.
And finish, yeah.
Bring back the park. As
Me,
you
man.
can see, them on the right round the park.
I want to tell us that we do a swear for it and say, oh, we need camera in the park, you know. Because watch them, I know it's a car park, that.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I want the best idea because for longer now.
Yeah, that's the sir.
Park, there's a town lack of parking spot there. You can park and pay for the parking. And people have park on roadside and pay for roadside parking and truck.
I'm going to take with them vehicle and all them something. Yo, but I'm going on the road, you know.
Yeah, man,
It's a blessing to see that, bro. Blessing to my youth. Because you don't know, you see it? Up top here. Tell us a car park, man. See the camera put up and thing. What do you mean? And why there was some voice, but I say, oh, they need to put up some camera in that place, man. No security guard and all these things. You see me, I say there, it'll go on. It'll go on. Big up to the mirror. You see me, I say? Big up to the mirror, man. You see me, all the mirror for the nose. Them funny guy there, them back door guy there. You see me, I say, well, walk through back door. Don't let them in the park. You see me, I say? Yeah. Real thing. Oh, respect. Yeah, security. Yeah, man. Back there, the pastor said, be a back door boy. See some boy pull back. You know the boy look through back door? Yeah. Run them out to the Buckler Park. Yo, Judge, I know. Sorry, YouTube. You know, somebody will cut out them like a party. Boy look back door, boy. They make them pack up in the park and thing. Yeah, man, run them out. You see me? You see it? Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. Come on to the park, come on. Come on there, over the man and fix. Yeah man, I like what the matter, man. Like what the matter with the park, you know? Park are set up nice. It's just another one. Yeah man, when the wine and the power was them start wash them place, the police start lock up people from anybody catch a piece on the park here. Lock up them blouse and skirt. Anybody. You see me I say? Love them put the camera in the minute though, you know? Yes, driver. Yeah man, them things stop and them piss when you see people piss up around the park and thing. Lock them up. Yes man. Lock up them blouse and skirt, charge them. Simple. No joke about that. Yes, people. J.U.C.T. boss, you know. See me? You see when you start, you see some people start get locked up. Watch it, that's an example I'm setting up. Anytime the police and go and find them. You see me? Be mad people. Come daddy and kill one of us, sir. Yeah man. Look come all around say that. Yeah man. Daddy and Sheldon. Yes people, that is it. Yeah, I'm going cross. Come in, come in. That's it. Yo, I love a car, they see. No, if you do something for the mad people, them take them off on the street. And the homeless. If you do something for the mad people, them know. If you take the mad people off on the street, bro. Take the mad people off on the street, man. You see me I say? Eh? That's a company road. Yo, we are telling say, yo, mad people, every day you see somebody mad, and you find a new mad person on the road. You see what I say? Every day, so you take off all 6 mad, if you take off all 6 mad people off the road, you'll find out 7 more come on the road. You understand what I say? You see me? You see me? Ah, yeah, deal it. Are you driving this? Yeah, oh. Yeah. So I say, let's go on and do things here, you know? Yeah, man, that's what yeah.
You can tune in to there.
Yeah. Yes, people, that is the point. Skill Street and I say, yo, that is it. Yeah, man.